What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We're about to head to the shop and get this work in. Try to knock the rest of this Roadglide out, or at least get as much done as possible. I'm amped up. I'm juiced up. I can't wait to see this bike come together. We are more than halfway sold out, so it's looking like we will be going live real soon. So enter to win that joint. It can be you. I'm giving it away to one of y'all. I am not keeping this bike, man. We're literally building it, putting it together to give it away. So stay tuned for that. We shall be going live real soon as it sells out. And when we do, go on my YouTube page right now and go to the community tab. I'll have all the numbers and everybody's name and everything listed right there. So we'll have all that coming real soon. But we're about to slide to these shops. We're going to take some parts off, head to the Powdercoat shop. We're going to take the seat to the upholstery shop, and we're going to make some stuff happen. So without further ado, we're about to get it in and make it happen, man. Like I said, enter to win this joint. It can be you, dog. We're about to be sliding to Ohio and Texas next. It may be in Cali. It may head to one of them places or somewhere else around the world. So let me know where it's headed if you enter. And like I said, get you a KICKSBYDRE cap to enter to win this bike. That is the only way. One hat is one entry. So without further ado, we're about to slide to the shop and get this work in, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. We done made it to the shop, y'all. We're about to get it in, get this work in, and have this bike on the way, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. It's about to be one-on-one, juiced up, looking good. Stay tuned and watch all these videos and updates every day of this week. I'm telling y'all, it's coming to y'all live in the flesh, man. You got to just stay tuned and keep watching. Yes, sir. We made a lot of progress. We got the motor back on there. Usually I'll be having to need somebody to help me put it on. I end up having to improvise and make my way and get it done. Now we got that up on there. We got the shocks, got the rear subframe back on here. We're gonna finish bolting all this down, getting it back going. So today we're gonna wrap up these brake lines. I gotta zip tie everything back up how I had it originally. We're gonna do that. Then we're taking those two covers. I'm gonna take the horn and the cam and the transmission cover. We gotta just drain some of that fluid out. We're gonna get all that to the powder coat. And then we got some more pieces in that box over there. We're gonna get to the powder coat. But I just want this bike to look nice and clean, and I'm telling y'all, I want it to look like something real nice and special. So we're about to do what it do and bring it to you. So I'm telling y'all, this can be you, man. We ain't doing this for nothing. This is gonna be one of y'all bikes built by Dre in whatever city and state you in. But like I said, you gotta pay to play, man. You gotta enter the giveaway and hope for the best and stay down for the come up, man, because it can be you. We got this joint headed to Houston, Texas. This thing is about to be up out of here. As soon as I get these rims from this guy, that's gonna be my first and last time doing business with him. I've been waiting way too long, but I ain't tripping because it's gonna come together in little to no time. Then we got this thing headed to Dover, Ohio. I've been having this for a second. This thing will be headed out. I had a shipper supposed to pick it up a while back. I canceled him because he was BS, and then I had stuff to do that week. So it looked like I will be driving and delivering these myself, both of these back to back from Ohio to Texas. So stay tuned for that. And for anybody interested in this frame, I don't need an email with 1,000 questions. I say it every time. This is a salvage title 2012 frame, ready to go. I took it to the frame doctor. I paid a good amount of money to get it completely straightened out. That's why I want what I want. And until then, it will be sitting here. But I think I probably end up building that bike because I have a lot of the pieces. Oh, no, it's in my other storage. I got a lot of the pieces, so I just may have another bike coming together with that joint right there. But we're working and we're getting it in, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. We're about to finish getting this working on this frame. We got it looking good. It's only a matter of time. Y'all see this color? Let me get the light, man. Y'all see that color? Oh, yes, sir, baby boy. This can be you. This can be you, man. Yes, sir. We're about to get it in, though. Sir, we got this thing coming along. That'll be a process, but I done it a few times, so it'd be kind of like the newer bikes is different. I can't say these newer bikes are easier than the older one-piece frames, like those ones that's just one solid piece. So they got the subframe that disconnect and make everything so much easier. But we definitely got it coming along. I'm about to go ahead and throw that Swingarm on the back. so we can bolt the shocks up. And then as soon as I get the brake lines and everything zip tied back up, all the wires, we're gonna go ahead and pop these pieces off, like the cam cover and whatnot. I know that's gonna leak some fluid, but I want to get these mounts and a lot of this stuff bolted up before I get to putting everything back intact. So let's get back to it, man. Definitely got it going, man. We looking good. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. So we got it going. I have to throw the, I'm about to put that Swingarm on now with the mounts. Doing the front end, I just wanted to wrap it all up since I was already zip tied and everything, connecting everything. And I have to put this on there to make sure all the wires and everything is good with this harness while everything is still kind of in the open. That's the way I like to do it. And I know for a fact, this interference is still staying wet black, so that's gonna be that. But on another note, like I was saying, I had to just make sure all my plug and wires and connections is right once I put the top engine covers back on, so I can put the battery in there, fire up the radio, make sure everything is good. These are not the bars I'm gonna keep on here, but I'm not about to wait 2-3 weeks, however long they're gonna take for them to come and have the bike sitting here. So I'm gonna work with what I got until I get everything that I need. So that's gonna be that. And then on another note, we're about to put these bushings in the Swingarm on. So we're about to get back to that, but y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing coming together on the road, man, looking good. After we leave up out of here, we're about to drop these pieces off at the Powdercoat shop and hit that interior shop. So stay tuned, man, we working. Sir, we got a lot of work done on this joint. Y'all don't even understand. It took me forever to get this Swingarm up on there. It's hard as hell to match it up with the transmission to get that shaft up in there, but we got it. We got that going. We got the interference. We're gonna test that out a little later today. Got everything bolted up down there finally. But yeah, we got it going, man. I am hot as hell in here. About to give me some food, and then we're gonna finish hitting these shops and whatnot. But y'all see what's going on, man. We working, getting this thing on the road, getting it together, trying to have this thing finished up so we could be sliding, not hiding, man. Enter to win this joint, man. It can be you. Y'all see what's going on. Your boy putting in that work, trying to get it done.